Hi guys, welcome to another Mika's Garage. In this episode we are installing the fan shroud and admission. I hope you enjoy it and do leave your feedback below. If you want to keep up to date with our videos, don't forget to subscribe. First, we are installing the dynamo stand. It is held in place by four 13mm nuts and uses a small paper gasket, as illustrated on screen. We have applied a very thin layer of RTV before applying it to the block. Next, we tighten the four nuts in a star pattern. The next step was to install the two cylinder head stinwares. These are held in place by two bolts on each side of the admission. The process is exactly the same on both sides of the engine. With both covers in place, you should also reassemble the thermostat mechanism. This mechanism is installed between cylinder 1 and 2. Unfortunately, we weren't able to record the detail of installing the thermostat mechanism, but we'll do a separate video on this when we re-record it. The next step was to install the admission. To do this, you first have to insert the two metal gaskets that go into the admission hole. You can now align the admission with the head and the two studs on each side. The admission is held in place by two 10mm bolts on each side. As always, when tightening something on your engine, you should be careful not over-tightening, especially when you're doing smaller nuts, as these are prone to strip. The next and final step is to install the fan shroud. The easiest way to do it is to install it together with your dynamo. To do this, we install the dynamo with the cooling fan assembly into the fan shroud. It is held in place by four 13mm bolts that tighten the cooling fan assembly to the fan shroud. Next, we held the full fan shroud assembly and slide it over the oil cooler. Once in place, you need to align the fan shroud thinware with the cylinder head covers. Once everything is aligned, you can secure the fan shroud by putting the two bolts, one on each end of the fan shroud. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you leave your feedback and comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time!